Hey, it's your girl Lara J and I'm back again with another video. And for today's video guys, this is about my everyday makeup routine. So ayan, so as you can see, this is very simple and very easy lang na makeup look guys. And I usually wear this makeup every time I go out of the house, kapag pumapasok sa school or hang out with friends. And as you may observe, nasa different setup tayo or background. It's because I just want to try something new. O, diba? So, yeah, without further ado, and if you want to know how I do my everyday makeup routine, just please keep on watching! Everyday makeup routine guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, and click that bell button beside it for you to get notified every time I have a new one. And please follow me on my social media handles. It is always linked down below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching guys. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye! Mwah!